Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to receive a new Delta key in your Android phone. It is a very simple and easy method, so let's get started. I hope you follow all the steps and do not skip the video. The same procedure you can do on your computer, MacBook and iOS. I hope this video is helpful to you. First, open your Roblox and then please wait the executor. Then click the receiving key and copy the link. After copy the link, go to your Chrome browser, click a new tab, then click and paste the link. After paste the link, please wait. It takes some time. Do not skip the video. Follow all the steps. Then click continue. Then you can see, scroll down. And now you can see this open, generate gateway key. Click this. Copy the key. After copy the key, go to your Roblox. Play a Roblox. And paste a key. It is a very simple and easy method to get a new Delta key in Roblox. I hope you follow all the steps and do not skip the video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video.